Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again, Shadow's RC Farm. Thanks for all the comments and subscribing and views and likes and stuff. I appreciate it. As over here, he's working the field. Of course, you saw a video before where he was actually doing the cultivating. I kind of wanted to set up a different idea on there. Looks like he has to fix the cultivator. The new shovel has his wrench right there, has it up there, has it in his toolbox, and some more right there. Shadow's garden, watching what he's doing. Got some stuff working over here. See the field here. So siphon tubes. Getting all ready to set it all up for irrigating and stuff in the field. Tractor over here. Ditch. Some more crates. Set up some stuff here. Wheel loader for that. Some cows and stuff. So yeah, so I wanted you guys all check that out. A little bit of surprise. Show you a little bit too. Everything. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you some more stuff that's coming up. There's going to be some more videos of a 124 scale construction that I'm planning. Alright, so here's the 124 scale RC Construction from Diecast Masters. They're going to be getting close and getting set up to go as well. The excavator before, the wheel loader, bulldozer, articulating truck. The other one's over on the diorama table that I'm building. So the Playmobil, they're going to have all of them crew all set up for construction and stuff. They're actually a 124 scale is what I researched. I got some camper over here and everything. Shadow right here. Everything. It's me in the brown jacket. It's going to be the family and friends all working. So that's going to be what's coming up here sometime soon. I'm building the diorama here inside the house. I hope you guys will enjoy that as well. I'll show you the diorama. Here's what I got so far. It's going to be a crane set. It's going to be built there. Got a bunch of part of the table. I'm going to lower it down. I'm going to cut 3 inches off the table there. I'm going to have some pretty cool stuff. There's the other articulating truck, the other driver for it. Some stuff. So it's all getting pretty close. I mean, not real close for this diorama, but other stuff is getting there. All right, well, let's get back to that tractor. He's probably done fixing it by now. All right, so you got the tractor all ready to go. We're going to go ahead and get it all going. Uh-oh, it's getting stuck. Don't hit my siphon tubes. Oops, hit myself in too. Looks like he's going to call it a day. It's almost all done. It's going to set up the siphon tubes in the field. Set that on down. All right, so he has the field all corrugated the best he can for now. I do a little bit more fixing it up. Have him over here. He has the siphon tubes all set up, ready for irrigating and everything. Next one you'll see, hopefully you'll see the water in the ditch and irrigating the field here. I'll show you a little bit more stuff this way. See some stuff. Alright. Have you guys check out one of the siphon tubes. Here's a siphon tube that you can buy the pipes at like Hobby Lobby or Michael's and stuff. And it's actually hollow to where water will actually go through it. So hopefully you'll see that in the next video that I do. The tins to hold the water back, a little screen, just in case there's weeds and moss that get down there so don't plug up the tubes. Alright, hope you guys enjoy this video. Sorry it's been such a long time since I've done a recording. You guys all take care and be safe. See you next time. Bye.